Welcome guys. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can be able to add Google Recaptcha to your Elementor forms. So you can add this Recaptcha to any Elementor forms. Also, if you want to learn how to add this Recaptcha to any other WordPress forms, you can. That's your default WordPress form, such as your restriction form, your login form, your reset password form, all those kind of forms. So you can, if you want to know how to add reCaptcha to those forms, you can just check the video you are seeing at the top right hand corner of your screen, or you can check in the description box below. I'm going to be dropping a link to that video in the description box below, and also in that video you will be able to learn how to set up. You can see from what I'm having here, you can see I'm having from this particular site. I'm actually having 3 sites here, but from this is from one of my sites. That's the one we are going to be setting up the reCaptcha to the Elementor forms. You can see so far I actually had 5 successful requests and login requests, and you can see I have about 97% suspicious requests. That's probably there have been some spam requests to trying to log into my site or to send me spam messages, but this, because of the reCaptcha, it has been able to stop all those requests from being successful. So you can see how this has actually helped in protecting my site up to a reasonable extent. So I'm going to be showing you how to add this reCaptcha to your site and also to your Elementor forms. So in case you want to learn how to add it to your entire site, you can check that's to your WordPress site. You can check in the description box below. You can check at the top right here. I'll be adding the link to that particular video. Yeah, but today's video is going to be like a continuation of what we had in that particular video. So I will recommend you quickly just watch that video so that you know how to go about it, so that you learn how to create your own codes. You can be able to generate your own codes from, like you can see, I already have my code. You can see view codes. I already have my code, so I'll be showing you how, if in that video you will learn how to actually create your own code, to generate your own code. So I have my code here, so I'll be going straight into the tutorial to show you how to implement this code into your Elementor forms. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Alright, so going to be continuing with the video. Now I'm going to go ahead to, you can see I have now I want to quickly copy. To start with, I'm going to quickly copy this particular key, and this is the page, the form I'm going to be actually created this like a sample form, a sample page where I'm going to be adding this so that you'll be able to see how it works. So now I'm going to quickly go to my all pages. You can see I have the page. I actually created the page. You can see I have opened it already on Elementor, so that the video won't be that lengthy, so I have to just create this down already. So now I'm going to go to first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my dashboard and go to Elementor. So I'm going to go to Elementor, since we're adding it to Elementor, and I'll go to settings. So once I click on settings, it's going to open up. So where I'm going to head to now is integration. I'm going to click on integration, and now if you scroll down, you are going to see V3. That's we have the reCaptcha, and you have reCaptcha V3. Now you should take notes from, if you watch the other video, I actually explained the difference between the V3 and also the V2. So now if you make sure if you're actually having a V3 reCaptcha set on your site, if it is a V3 reCaptcha you actually generated, make sure on this place you are going to add the codes to your V3. But this actually created a V2 reCaptcha, so I'm going to copy it and insert it into the V2 reCaptcha. You can see at the top here, V2 reCaptcha. Then I'm going to just add it here, add my secret code, site key, and my site secret key. I'm going to copy both of them and add it here. So once I add this to that is the only thing I need for this particular. So I'm just going to scroll down and save the changes. Going to scroll down and save the changes. Now the changes has been saved. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to head to my Elementor. Head to Elementor. Now I'm going to scroll down to where I'm to here. Now you can see I have all the forms. I can decide to show label. Okay, I've hit the label. So now I'm going to, on this particular side, I'm going to click on add new. So the new I'm going to be adding is going to be after the message. So now I'm going to what I'm going to choose here is going to be, I'm going to click on it and choose my reCaptcha. So I'm going to click on reCaptcha. Then after that, I'm going to click on save. That is all what I need to do. So you can see the reCaptcha. I have the light and I have the dark. So I'm going to let me now refresh this page so that you see what we will be having. So when I refresh this page, you will see that the reCaptcha has successfully be added to our site. You can see I can now click on it and you can see the reCaptcha actually went through. So I can fill in my form and submit now. So now let me show you something else. What if we decide to change this to dark? How will it look like? Let me save it and see. So you can just play along with all those things and see how it actually looks like. So let me refresh. So you see how the reCaptcha looks like this time around. You can see it is now in the dark using dark color. So now you can still play around with the size. You can see you can decide, okay, the size should be compact mode, should be on compact. So let's see how it looks like. So I'm going to refresh. So you can see. So you just have to just set it the way you want. I'll prefer it to be on the light mode and also on the normal. So I'm going to save this. Once I do that, I'm going to refresh and you see it's going to go back to how it was initially. So you can see by the time I can now fill this form. Let's see, that's gone through. I can now fill this form. Let me see, James. I can now fill this form with any information I wish to and send, and it's going to go through. The message is going to go through successfully. So you can try this out on your site and tell me the results, if it went through successfully or not. So I believe this video might have been helpful to you, and if it might have solved your problem or you enjoyed this video, please hit on the like button, and if possible share this video to as many that will actually learn from it. Also, but this is where I'm going to stop for this particular tutorial. Until next time, but before you go, please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos like this. Until next time, bye for now.